For homeowners in Slidell, improving property value is often a top priority, whether planning to sell in the near future or simply investing in long-term home quality. One of the most effective upgrades that delivers both immediate and lasting returns is installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows not only improve comfort and reduce energy costs but also make homes more attractive to potential buyers, ultimately increasing overall property value. One of the primary ways energy-efficient windows boost home value is through lower energy costs. In Slidell's warm and humid climate, air conditioning is essential for much of the year. Older windows often allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Energy-efficient windows are designed with insulated frames, multi-pane glass, and advanced coatings that reduce heat transfer. This results in lower monthly utility bills, an appealing benefit that prospective buyers immediately recognize. Another important factor is enhanced indoor comfort, which directly influences a home's desirability. Homes with outdated windows often experience drafts, uneven temperatures, and excess humidity. Energy-efficient windows create a more stable indoor environment by maintaining consistent temperatures and reducing moisture intrusion. When potential buyers walk into a home that feels comfortable and well-regulated, it leaves a strong positive impression, increasing perceived value. Curb appeal also plays a significant role in determining home value, and new windows can dramatically improve a home's exterior appearance. Energy-efficient windows are available in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing homeowners to update the look of their property. In Slidell neighborhoods, where first impressions matter, modern windows can make a home stand out and appear well-maintained. This visual upgrade often translates into higher offers when selling. Durability is another key advantage that adds value. Energy-efficient windows are typically made from materials such as vinyl or fiberglass, which are designed to withstand Slidell's humid conditions. These materials resist warping, rotting, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Buyers are more likely to invest in a home that requires fewer repairs, and durable windows signal that the property has been well cared for. Energy-efficient windows also contribute to better protection against moisture, which is especially important in Slidell's climate. Poorly sealed or outdated windows can allow water to seep into the home, leading to issues such as mold or structural damage. Modern windows are built with advanced sealing systems that prevent leaks and protect the home's integrity. This added protection increases buyer confidence and supports higher property value. Noise reduction is another benefit that can influence home value. Multi-pane glass and improved sealing help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In areas with traffic or neighborhood activity, this feature can be a major selling point. A peaceful, quiet home is highly desirable and can set a property apart from others on the market. Another way energy-efficient windows increase value is through improved energy ratings. Homes with energy-efficient features often receive better energy performance scores, which are increasingly important to buyers. These ratings provide measurable proof of efficiency, making the home more attractive in a competitive market. Maintenance savings also play a role. Modern windows require less upkeep compared to older models, which may need frequent repairs, repainting, or sealing. Low-maintenance materials and durable finishes reduce long-term costs for homeowners. Buyers appreciate these savings, as they indicate fewer responsibilities after purchase. Proper installation is essential to maximizing these benefits. Even the best windows will not deliver full value if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance. This not only improves energy efficiency but also enhances the overall quality of the upgrade, making it more appealing to potential buyers. In addition to financial benefits, energy-efficient windows contribute to a more sustainable home. Reduced energy consumption lowers the home's environmental impact, which is an increasingly important consideration for many buyers. This eco-friendly aspect adds another layer of value to the property. In conclusion, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for Slidell homeowners looking to increase property value. By reducing energy costs, improving comfort, enhancing curb appeal, and offering long-term durability, they provide a wide range of benefits that appeal to both current residents and future buyers. With proper installation and quality materials, these windows not only improve everyday living but also deliver a strong return on investment when it's time to sell.